I got my squishy package that I've been waiting for a month. So I'm not going to show this side, the front side, because it has my address on it. So I'm not going to show that, of course. Open it. This is super slick. Don't know if you can see anything in that. Yeah, okay, so first thing I pull out is panda bun. So let's push it in the packaging. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, the bag ripped. Okay, that's sad. Oh my god, it has a keychain. It is so sticky. It's so freaking sticky. Okay, so it comes with the cell phone strap. Oh my god. Okay, I wish you could smell this. It smells like maple and vanilla. And it's super squishy. This is probably my new favorite squishy. It's my first ever real jumbo squishy. Oh my god. It smells so good. So I'm putting this off to the side. This is where I keep my squishies, by the way. So next one is my pink capybara son. That's squishy in the packaging. Super polarizing. It is so soft. Okay, it's still rising. Even the eyes are soft. It's like actual cookie. It's so soft. It smells like chemicals. Ah, no. So, okay, so.
Yeah, probably a lot. I put so much into this marriage. God, now it looks like
oh my god. Oh my god.
But it's so
Oh my god.
First, there's the kids,
I'm shaking.
the poor kids. It'll make them stronger. Then the house, we'll have to sell the house. It's just stuff, man. Things. Which means no more attic for you. Where will you live? This affects everyone. Wow, what's this? Is the sidewall cracking? Shouldn't be. I just got these. Okay, Stan. Now I can tell you.
Like, oh my god.
You don't have to get
I'm sorry, I'm
divorced
just
and sell the attic,
speechless.
because I was the one who kissed Francine. But it didn't mean anything. It was just a drunken slip-up.
And this one comes with the
I'm just gonna give you some
keychain too. Like,
Okay, so you need more time.
I'm freaking out.
Next time on American
I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. My other one should be coming soon. But yeah, oh my god. Can't get enough of this. I'm shaking so bad. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and bye!